everyone. I welcome you to OI family. Yes, O-Y, OI. OI family. So let's start it. Once upon a time, there was a letter O and there was a letter Y, and both of them were very, very sad. बहुत दुखी थे वो, just like this girl. Why? Because they had no friends. उनका कोई friend नहीं था. So one day they thought, why don't we become friends to each other? Then O and Y, they shook their hands and then they become friends and they danced, and now they are family. So they are family. They are not alone anymore. वो अलग अलग नहीं है अब, ये लोग साथ में हैं. So when they were very happy, they made many words. So first word was boy. B-O-Y. Boy. B-O-Y. Boy. And this boy is playing with a toy. T-O-Y. Toy. T-O-Y. Toy. T-O-Y. Toy. And see, this boy is jumping. He's hopping, right? And he's hopping with joy. Joy means खुशी, खुश होना. Can you see? The little boy is so full of joy. कितना खुश है? J-O-Y. Joy. J-O-Y. Joy. J-O-Y. Joy. So let's read this rhyme together. He is Koi. The name of this boy is Koi. And Koi is a boy. Toy, toy, toy. A boy on a toy. Joy, joy, joy. The boy hops with joy. I hope you liked it. I'll see you again. Bye bye.